Morning class, welcome to the video. We are going to discuss the holiday homework of art integrated project. Okay, all of you are going to get your holiday homework in the form of art integrated project. Okay, what you have to do in art integrated project and what are the things that you must follow while preparing your project, we are going to discuss these things in this video. Okay, so first of all, before starting the video, I would like to inform all of you that in this art integrated project of English, okay, there is interdisciplinary project. Okay, this is interdisciplinary project. What is the meaning of interdisciplinary project? Interdisciplinary means where two or more subjects are related. Okay, so in this particular project, in this particular art integrated project, we have combined SST and English, and I'm going to discuss the part of English in it. Okay, that what are the things that comes under English and what are the things that you must follow while you are preparing your project. Okay, before doing all of this, before discussing all the topics, let us first discuss the meaning of art integrated project. Okay, or you can say why we do art integrated project. So first of all, what is art integrated learning? Art integrated learning is a teaching learning model which is based on learning through the arts and with the arts. It is a process where art becomes the medium of teaching learning, a key to understand concept within any subject of the curriculum. So, what is art integrated project? We basically do what? We combine art with any subject. Okay? We combine art with any form of learning and we learn a thing, or you can say we learn a concept. Okay? So, the medium is art. Okay, to understand a particular topic, or you can say to understand a particular concept, the medium that we are going to use is art. Okay, art can be of any form. It can be visual art. Visual art means the things that you can see. It can be in 3D form. 3D form means you make that particular thing and you understand about the different part of that particular thing. Okay, so art can be in any form. The general form of art that we all know are dancing, music, okay, painting. These are the general form of art that we know, but there are various kind of arts, and how we are going to use that art in explaining or understanding a concept, we are going to discuss it now. Okay, so the topic, first of all, let's discuss some important instructions before you do the topics. Okay, so student, the first topic is of that present a video showing the diversity of Kerala and Ladakh. So what you have to do in this, you have to present a video. So for making a particular video, what are the important instructions? These are that student will make their video in proper school uniform. Okay, so if you are choosing this topic, so what you have to do, you have to prepare the video in your school uniform. No other uniform or no other dress you can wear. Okay, only wear your proper school uniform. And if you are making the video, the length of the video should not exceed from 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, the video that you are making should not exceed from 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, and student can use different props in the video. Props means you can use different items to show the particular thing if you want to. Okay, it is not compulsory, but if you want to make your video more interesting, more you can say more communicative, then you can use props also. Okay, props can be in the form of pictures, it can be in the form of posters where you actually draw all those things that you are going to present in the video. Okay, that is up to you. How you want to represent your video is up to you. Okay, that is totally your own imaginative skill or your own skill to represent it. Okay, so now what we are going to discuss is that the video that you are going to make is going to be in English. Okay, so the medium of that particular video is going to be English. So what are the things that you should know or you should follow in that particular video? First one is that you have to wear your school uniform. If you are making the video, if you have selected this particular topic, so what you have to do, you have to wear the school uniform and then you have to do the video. So in this, what we are going to do, I am going to explain to you that how you are going to present yourself in the video. Okay, so this particular topic, or you can say video making, comes under the communicative skills. Communication skill, how that you are going to communicate with others. Okay, as there is not going to be anyone in front of you, you are going to talk to the camera, but you know that the other person is going to watch your video, so you have to prepare your video in such a way that you are communicating with the other person. Okay, so what are the things that you should include in your video? So first of all, what you have to do is introduction of the student, means what your introduction. Okay, you should give a small introduction of your own self. Okay, what is your name, what is going to come under it, I'm going to explain it later. Then the second part that video must contain is that introduction of the topic. Okay, the topic, you can just generally say that what is the name of the topic. Okay, and the main body of the topic. And the fourth one or the last one is conclusion of the topic. Okay, your video should have all these four parts, and it should not exceed from 3 to 4 minutes. So this is the very important thing that you must keep in mind, that your video should not exceed from 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so let's now discuss in detail that what are the parts that you can include in this, in these main four headings. Okay, so first of all, the topic is that, let us discuss the topics in details. Okay, so first point is introduction of the student. Introduction means you have to introduce yourself. Okay, before starting or before explaining everything, what you have to do is introduce yourself. So how you can start it is, start by saying good morning or good evening. Okay, then after saying good morning and good evening, what you can do is give your name to the audiences, or you can say the other person, that my name is Ram. Let's suppose the name is Ram. Okay, my name is Ram, and after telling your name, you can include that I study in class 6th and your section also. Okay, and you can also give your age if you want, that my age is, suppose you are of 13 years old. Okay, then mention your class and section. These are the things that you can include in it. So for a sample introduction, let's say that you are starting your introduction. So what you can do is, you can say that my name is you can start it by saying good morning everyone, or you can say good morning teachers. Okay, or and my dear friends, my name is Ram, I am 13 years old, I study in class 6th, suppose your section is B, so you will say 6th B. Okay, so this is a small sample introduction. You can change it also if you want to. Okay, the understanding of the language is totally up to you. This is just a, don't give unnecessary information, or don't give unnecessary introduction of yourself. Okay, just stick to your name. If you want to, you can include your age and just mention your class and section. Okay, then moving forward, the next part is introduction of the topic and also the main body of the topic. So introduction of the topic, in introduction of the topic, what you are going to say, you are just going to introduce the topic. Suppose you have chosen the topic, the diversity. Okay, so you can say that the topic, you can start it by saying that the topic of my video is diversity of Kerala and Ladakh. Okay, or you can simply say that I am going to introduce, not this, you can just start by saying the name of the topic. Okay, that is the simple introduction of the topic. You don't have to do unnecessary thing. Then after introducing the topic, after telling the name of the topic, what you can do is, you can the topic that is for your video is diversity. So you can start it by saying the meaning of diversity. What is the general, or you can say 2 to 3 lines on diversity, you can explain it. Okay, that you can include in your video. That let's say you started the video, the introduction of the topic as, the topic of my video is diversity of Kerala and Ladakh, and before starting the video, I would like to explain to all of you that what is diversity. And in 2 to 3 lines, or just in one line, you can explain that what is diversity. After that, okay, that is crisp and short part of your introduction of the topic. After introduction of the topic, what you have to do is you have to include the main body of the topic. Main body means what? That you have to explain, okay, or you have to show the things. Suppose you are showing it with the pictures, with the help of pictures. So what you can do is you can take the picture, particular picture, or the poster if you have made any, and you can show that these are the food items that different people in Kerala eat, or you can say these are the culture that Kerala, people of Kerala represent. Okay, that is totally up to you, that what you are going to take in the main body of the topic. Okay, that is totally up to you, that what are the things that you want to include in the main body. The topic is diversity of Kerala and Ladakh, so what are the things that you want to include in that topic, that is totally up to you. What you have to do, how you have to represent it, you just have to, you can use different type of posters, different type of pictures in the video. Okay, that is totally in your hands. Okay, so here let's discuss a sample of introduction of the topic and main body of the topic. So that you can say, after telling your short introduction of the student, what you can do is, the topic of my video is diversity of Kerala and Ladakh. Before starting my video, I would like to explain the meaning of diversity to all of you. Okay, try to make the video communicative. Okay, just don't recite lines. The video, how you can make the video communicative, as if you are talking to the other person. Okay, try to do it in that form. Okay, next, after doing introduction of the topic and the main body of the topic, what you have to do is the conclusion of the topic. Okay, and what are the conclusion of the topic? So what you have to do in conclusion, you can either include your thoughts about the topic, that what are your thoughts at the end of the video. Okay, what are your thoughts that you saw, or you, after doing your research. Okay, you are going to read about the particular topic, and then you are going to present it. So what are your thoughts about the topic, or even you can tell the reason that why you choose the topic. Okay, this can be included in your conclusion. Okay, student, I hope all of you understood that how you should represent yourself in the video. Okay, try to make your video more communicative. Okay, try to make your video more representative, as if you are representing yourself to other people. Okay, now let's discuss the second topic that you have, that is make a project on Ganga, Narmada, Sindhu river and the hills also. Okay, so what you have to do, the English part in this is that using posters show the importance of these rivers and hills. So what you can do is you can make different kind of posters. Okay, you can show your artistic skills, your art in that particular poster. You can make whatever poster that you feel like is best representing this topic. Okay, and you also have to write a essay on it. Okay, essay should not include not be more than say 60 to 70 words. Okay, try to make it short. Okay, students, so these were the topics for your art integrated project, interdisciplinary project of SST and English. Okay, and I hope all of you have understood that if you are going to choose a topic, how you are going to represent, how you should represent yourself in the video if you are doing video, and how you are going to do the poster part and the essay. That is totally your own creation. Okay, students, thank you so much.
Hello students, welcome again. In this video tutorial, I am going to give you some ideas about your art integrated project, that is English and SST, means English and Social Science. So students, your first topic is make a video showing the diversity of Kerala and Ladakh. You already know that how to present the video. We already have explained this to you, but now I am giving to you some ideas to show the diversity between both of the states. So in your civics book you have already read about it, that what are the diversities between Kerala and Ladakh. So now I am going to introduce you how you can show this in your video and what you can cover. So students, you can take the dance form as the part of this video. Means there are different kinds of dance form in Kerala and in Ladakh also. So you can express these types of thing in your videos, like the dance form of Kerala and the dance form of the Ladakh, and the food diversity, what kind of food people used to eat in Ladakh and what kind of food they used to eat in Kerala. The dance form I already told that, and the food of Kerala is also very different from the food of the Ladakh. So you can show these difference in your video also. So students, you have to make a beautiful video, and you have to try to show your maximum creativity through this video, and we will give you award also. Student will be rewarded according to their presentations. So another, you can show these states in the map also, the map where is the Kerala and where is the Ladakh. You can show that, and what are the difference between the Kerala and Ladakh's atmosphere and their flora and fauna, the diversity between these places, the kind of the rivers, mountains. You can show that in your videos. And in your videos, you can also show the different kinds of dresses people wear in Kerala and Ladakh also. The different kinds of dress and different kinds of their costumes you can show in your videos also. The difference between their dress, the diversity of kinds of clothes you can show in your videos. If also your video should not be more than 3 to 4 minutes. So you have to represent yourself nicely, and your presentation should be done in proper school uniform. Video content, you can use lots of things. I have also given you some ideas regarding this, and in this video I want to show your creativity, how you will represent the diversity of Kerala and Ladakh. It is important according to you, what are the diversity between those states. Okay, project is, I have given it from your history first chapter, and in this chapter you already know that where is the Suleiman and Kirthar Hill, where is the Sindhu river, Narmada river. You can also show these rivers on the map. You have to write the things very nicely in an A4 size interleaf sheets, and then you have to make your project with different colors which are available at your home. So make this, okay, and you can you can choose any one from those two topics and make a beautiful presentation according to you. So student, in second topic you have to use some maps to show the rivers and their importance. Okay, nearby the river people started different kinds of agricultural work and different kinds of other work. So you have to show these things by the pictures and by the colors, like this is an example for you, and you have to use different types of colors for this, and the civilization, how civilizations begins nearby the rivers. So you can show this in the in map also. So you can use different maps for this, okay, to show the rivers, to show the Suleiman and Kirthar hills. Okay, so where people started first time people started growing crops, they started growing wheat and rice. So you can show these things by the different colors, different types of posters, different cuttings of the foods. You can paste it on map. Okay, you can also paste the grains on the map also to show the rivers. Okay, and to show the rivers you can use different kinds of colors. Okay, so you have to use to show the Ganga river also. Okay, so according to the first chapter you can show these things in your video. So students, these are the two topic, and you have to choose only one topic. Okay, you have to choose one topic, and then you can make a project or a video. Okay, and try to be more creative. So as I have already told you that when you will make a project, so you can use different color paper to demonstrate the river and hills on physical map of India, and student can make a poster showing the importance of these rivers and hill in our civilization. Or you have to write a short essay on importance of these rivers and hills also. Okay, so if you will choose second topic, then you have to write the essay, okay, to show the importance of this topic, and you have to show these rivers and these hills on the on the physical map of India, and which civilization started growing nearby these river. You can show these things by different kinds of colors also. Okay students, all the best.